Good morning, everyone. It is a good morning. It's a great morning, and just want to say good morning.
Good morning, guys.
And make the recommendation that each of us find at least 30 minutes every day to put in some type of physical activity, some type of exercise. You understand? Especially when you're getting up into certain age, or if you've been diagnosed with diabetes or anything of that nature.
High
Cholesterol, high blood pressure.
You know that any illness that you are going through, them recommend two things: better diet and exercise. So might as well use, get ahead of the game.
Better diet or exercise, and exercise, not or. So we're doing our 4 miles this morning, and make sure so you find some time to do some exercise. That's how the thing said. You understand? Win well.